Are you looking for the best MOZA R3 Racing? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best MOZA R3 Racing on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MOZA R3 Racing Wheel and Pedals Bundle. Here are the details on the MOZA R3 Racing Wheel and Pedals Bundle, Xbox and PC version. A strong entry into direct drive sim racing. I'll cover what it includes, its specs, compatibility and user feedback, plus key pros/cons for you to decide if it's right for your setup. The bundle includes the R3 direct drive wheelbase rated at 3.9 Nm peak torque. eu.sim-motion.com. Drive type: direct drive, not belt or gear. Means the motor is directly turning the wheel, which usually gives higher precision and feedback. MOZA Racing. Housing: aviation-grade aluminum alloy for the wheelbase. MOZA Racing. Wheel rim: the included ES steering wheel for PC version is 280 mm in diameter with ISF-PU grips, eco-friendly synthetic, and aluminum faceplate. MOZA Racing. Pedals: the SRP light pedal set, throttle plus brake, no clutch in the base bundle, with high-strength steel plates and hall sensor on throttle. MOZA Racing. Compatibility: the Xbox and PC version is officially licensed for Xbox consoles, Xbox Series X, S and Xbox One, and works on PC. eu.sim-motion.com. Mounting: comes with desk clamp and also has screw mount holes for cockpit setups. MOZA Racing. Software and customization. MOZA's Pithouse software allows tuning of force feedback settings, pedal curves, etc. Number 2. MOZA Racing R5 Bundle Kit. Here's a detailed breakdown of the MOZA Racing R5 Bundle Kit, wheelbase plus pedals plus 11 ES wheel. Great option for someone looking to upgrade into direct drive sim racing. I'll cover specs, compatibility, pros and cons, and whether it fits your situation in Dhaka/Narayanganj. Wheelbase R5 direct drive base. Delivers a peak torque of 5.5. Housing material: aviation-grade aluminum alloy for the base. MOZA Racing. Encoder resolution: 15-bit, which is good precision, and USB polling at 1000 Hz. MOZA Racing. Included wheel rim: 11-inch ES wheel, with leather/microfiber wrap, aluminum faceplate and 22 buttons. MOZA Racing UK. Pedals: SRP light pedal set, high-strength steel construction, hall sensor throttle/brake, adjustable spacing/height. MOZA Racing UK. Mounting: comes with a desk/table clamp in the bundle for use on a desk. MOZA Racing. Compatibility list. On the bundle page it states platform: PC, Windows. Number 3. One PC Gaming Racing Simulator Bundle. Here's a detailed overview of the MOZA R5 All-in-One PC Gaming Racing Simulator Bundle, sometimes simply called the R5 Bundle. What it includes, its specs, strengths, and cautions, so you can decide if it's the right choice for your setup. The wheelbase, R5, uses aviation-grade aluminum housing, 15-bit, almost equals 32K steps, encoder resolution, USB polling at 1000 Hz. MOZA Racing. The included wheel rim is an 11 ES steering wheel, approximate 280 mm diameter, with aluminum faceplate, quick release system, microfiber/leather grips and 22 programmable buttons. Best Buy. Pedals. The bundle comes with the SRP Light dual pedals set, throttle plus brake, made of high-strength steel and Hall effect sensors, anti-slip pad, adjustable spacing/height. rseat-europe.com. Desk mounting. A desk clamp/desktop mounting clip is included in many bundles for mounting on a table/desk. rseat-europe.com. Software and app control. MOZA's Pithouse software plus cloud/app-based control is supported. You can adjust wheelbase, wheel rim, pedal settings via MOZA app. Number 4. MOZA Vision GS Wheel. Here's a detailed breakdown of the MOZA Vision GS Wheel, a high-end add-on steering wheel rim, not a complete wheelbase plus pedals bundle. Designed for sim racers who already have a compatible base and are looking to upgrade their wheel itself. Display: 2.85-inch high-definition circular touchscreen at 60 Hz refresh rate. MOZA Racing. Construction: aerospace-grade aluminum alloy backplate, carbon fiber reinforced composite faceplate, and hand-stitched microfiber leather grips. MOZA Racing. Inputs: it supports 72 programmable input signals, including an integrated 7-way switch, joystick, rotary encoders, thumb encoders, backlit RGB buttons, rear buttons, etc. MOZA Racing. Paddles: carbon fiber magnetic shift paddles plus dual clutch paddles, hall sensor, for high precision. MOZA Racing. Quick release/compatibility. Uses MOZA all-aluminum quick release system. Compatible with all MOZA wheelbases, and via a universal hub adapter kit. Also supports some third-party wheelbases. MOZA Racing. Software and UI. Full customization of the UI on the wheels display via MOZA Pithouse software. You can switch dashboards and layouts. Number 5. ES Steering Wheel Rim. Good choice. The MOZA ES steering wheel rim is a solid upgrade option for the R5 and R9 V2 and other MOZA bases. Here's a breakdown of the key details, compatibility, and things to watch. The ES wheel rim is described by MOZA as 11 inches, 280 mm diameter, for the standard rim version. SimRacerGear.com. Construction: aluminum alloy face/dial material, with microfiber leather, or luxury grips, for the rim surface. Turn style: buttons/controls, 22 programmable buttons on the rim. GT Omega UK. Quick release: MOZA uses their own quick release system. Dimensions/bolt patterns listed in MOZA's support docs. Knowledge base. Compatibility: according to product pages, the ES is compatible with MOZA wheelbases including the R5 and R9 V2 and other bases, assuming correct quick release/hub.